Adding a class to a package. In last video, we studied how to create a package and add a class to that package. In this video, we are just studying here. If I create a new class and I want to add that class to the already existing package, means I have to create multiple classes and all that classes belong to the same package which is already prepared or created. In that case, how to do this one? That is explained by this video. Here I assume that I already created one package called as P1, and in that package I have already created one class called as A. This packages already exist. Now I want to create a new class called as B, and I have to put this B class into a package called as P1. To do this, I have to follow these following 4 steps. First, I have to create a one class called as B and make it a public by using a public visibility here. You have to create a class with a public visibility, and at the top you have to write one statement here called as package and the package name called as P1. Since A is belonging to a package called as P1 and I want to create a one more class called as B which is belonging to same package called as P1, so I have to write here package P1. At the top I have to write package P1. Then I have to store this class with a name called as b.java, and I have to store this file under the directory called as P1. This is capital P here, under the directory P1. Now the P1 contains both class A as well as class B. Now I want to compile that class called as class B. So I just compile that, which will create a file called as b.class. This b.java, when you compile it, it creates a b.class. And that b.class file is also placed under the same directory or folder called as P1. This P1 contains a.class as well as b.class. Now once you've done this one, we are adding a new class to a package called as P1. So in this way we have to add a new class to an existing package. Now in last video I explained how to add a new class to a already existing package. Here I will explain the same concept with the programming example here. For that one I am using two classes, that is called as class A and class B. Now I want to add both these classes to a same package called as package 1. To do this, first I have to write a statement called as package 1 at the top of the both of the program. The first statement should be package 1 at the top. Then I have to create a one class called as class A with a name called as public. Here I have given the public visibility to the class, and whatever the definition I have to write in the class A, I have written here, like the data members as well as methods. Data as well as methods I have written here. In my class A, I have created one method called as display A, which will just display a message called as class A. This is just a demo program, so I have written only print statement. Next I have created one more class called as class B in the same package. So I have written here package 1. You see here both the name should be same, case sensitivities. So package 1. Then I have to write the public visibility to a class called as class B. Then I have to define the methods for the class B. For example, I have written one method called as display B, which will display a message called as class B. Now I have created two classes. One is called as class A and the called as class B. Now I have to create two Java files. One is called as class A.java, and I have to store that file in a package called as in a folder called as package1. Folder means here directory. I have to create class A.java and store that in a package1 directory. In similar way, I have created one more file called as class B.java and store it in a same directory called as package1. Now package1 contains two files, that is called as class A.java and class B.java. Then I have to compile the both file. Whenever you compile the both file, it will create a two classes. One is called as class A.class and class B.class, which is stored in the same package called as package1. Now this folder contains, or this directory contains, four files, two Java files, two class files. Now once you've done this one, I have to go to outside the package1 folder. I have to go outside the package1 folder, and I have written one more Java code called as package test2. Here I have created one class called as package test2. Before that one, I have to import both classes. So I have written import package1 dot star. The star indicates I am accessing both classes. I need both class A as well as class B. So I have written here import package1 dot star. If you want to import independently, for example, I need only class A, then write import package1 dot class A. If I need a class B, then write import package1 dot class B. But here I need the both classes, so I written here star. So in my main method, I have created object of A first. Class A object is created and display A. That means it will display class A here. Then I have created one more object called as object B from a class B, and it will display here the content of display B. So this is the technique where I can access two classes, class A and class B, which is in a package called as package1. This is just a demo program how to access a class from a different package. Now you can create your own package and create a very good classes in that package and access that classes in your program wherever you need. So this is the demo give you how to use packages.